Hi, great day. You know how to create the retirement plan and how to secure your retirement in such a way where your financial life at the time of retirement should be evolved to be peace. So every do you think every time you want to plan for your retirement, how much amount I need to segregate every month and how much I need to you need to be very clear about the bank balances and the investments to be away at particular age of retirement. So do you think all things? So but you are not taking action here in this video. I'm giving the best possible ways how you, an individual person evolve at retirement. What are the scenarios and what are all the aesthetics you need to follow to get the time of retirement age. So as a person, whether you are a salaried person or a business, what your present income and how much your lifestyle to be evolve at the time of retirement age, these are all the parameters you need to really think about. So definitely you as an individual, you need to maintain in such a way where the personal perception of maintaining financial parameters of money to be at the time of retirement, what you be get in your bank balance of investment and how peace in your life. So these are things to you are getting in this video. Please see this video till the end so that you will see the real aesthetics and principles about the parameters of your retirement age principles and retirement age, you need to how you need to yourself to get good at age of retirement. So this is Madhu Kodala, expert and lifestyle coach. Please visit my website www.madhukodala so that you know why I'm doing all these things. So, to have a visibility about your retirement age, what is your retirement age bank balance, what is your retirement age portfolio investments, how you need to be very clear about the things about your retirement age along with your spouse, along with your family. So here I'm giving the some golden nuggets to you. Please follow these things. Definitely you will see the real change in your life from today. That confidence I have. So please have a clear information about the parameters and the principles and the aesthetics. The golden nuggets I'm sharing today to you, will be very useful. Nobody in the world will never share this information because through practical scenarios I'm telling these things so that it will be better understandable informations to you to get good things in your life. For your better understanding, please take a journal and a pen and write down the things what I'm sharing today. It will be better useful for you for the better understanding to get the good things in your life to be better for retirement age. So what is the I'm sharing the screen to you better understanding what is you are aiming retirement, what is your present lifestyle and what is the lifestyle you are willing, you want to be peace in your life in terms of financially, how much bank balance you want to get and how much portfolio of investments you are trying to incur in a monthly basis. So what is the major intention, what is the main core in your brain now, whether it is a present as of now you are residing in one rent house or you are one big mansion or big like duplex house, triplex house. Your intention, write down journal so that you know what is my financial stability at the time of retirement age, what is the expenses, what is the expenses you are going to be incurred by calculating the inflation percentage of retirement, what is the exact expenses you are going to be incur by understanding the exact inflation percentage. Every year the inflation is going on up. So what is your income now, whether you are earning 1 lakh rupee or earning 2 lakhs rupees or earning 50,000 rupees, or whether you're a businessman earning a crores, 1 million, 2 millions, whatsoever the amount you're earning, what is the inflation percentage you have to be segregate, and you have to be think on an average 6 to 10% is the inflation ratio. So that 6 to 10%, you as an individual person think about this inflation percentage and calculate your retirement plan. Yes. And the third point is, what is your age now? What is your age, exact age now? Whether you are, if your age is 20 to 25 years, or you are between 25 to 35 years, or your age is between 35 to 45 years. What is your age? Write down, so that for further steps it will be useful for you to have a clear picture about your retirement. What is the earned income now? What is your exact earned income? Whether you are a salaried person or a business person, what is your exact earning income every month? You write down that. Whether it will be 20,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh rupee or more, whatsoever the amount you are earning, write down that. So what is your age? What is your earned income? And the next thing is, how much you will be able to save for your retirement. How much you will be able to save for your retirement. That is exactly the percentage is 10% of your monthly earned income. If you save monthly 10% of your earned income, you will see the real transformation about your financial stability. You see the real peace about a financial. If you want the peace in at the time of retirement age, you want to be financially free. You don't want to be burden anything. Is it right or not? So please try to save 10% of your earned monthly income. I'm reiterating you, monthly income. 10% of your monthly income to be kept aside. If you're not able to keep aside 10%, at least start with 5% at least. Start with 5%. If you're earning 1 lakh rupee every month, start 5% of that 5,000 rupees every month keeping aside. You see the real change in your financial position. So that is a major core. Invest 10% in such an investment vehicle where you will get good returns by analyzing with support of financial advisor. So if you have the knowledge, go and research in a Google, go and research in YouTube, go and research in any platforms where the financial matters is available as of now. But think before investing twice. Take the experts' advice, like financial advisors like me, and take your financial retirement position to the next level. So have a clear visibility and the end goal and the task, how much you need to be attained. That is a major core. The major scenario is, don't withdraw this amount unless it's extreme emergency. The 10%, whatever the amount you are saved in a separate portfolios. If you want the separate portfolios, I have a separate videos, and I want to give the context here only. So please, just I'm giving the clear plan and the position what you need to be attained at the age of retirement. Don't withdraw this saved 10% or 5% of your money unless it's extreme urgency. Put your money to work for you. That money work for you on behalf of you. Plan for passive income streams. For getting this passive income streams, I created a separate video. Please visit my YouTube channel, Madhu Kodidala. Their passive income streams has been clearly explained. Go and visit that video so that you know what is the exact passive income streams to be generated. So that should be 10%. You need to have a clear segregation of your monthly income to be kept aside for your retirement age. That will change your financial position, and that will see the financial peace in your life at the time of retirement age. Think about your current loan. The next nugget is, think about your current loans. What are all the loans you have as of now? Whether it is a home loan or a car loan or a mortgage loans, or these are the loans where you'll have more tenure. So that is at 15 years, 10 years, 5 years or 6 years. In a home loan, it is a minimum is 15 to 25 years. Sorry, maximum is 15, minimum is you can go for 5 years, but the maximum is 25 years. Mortgage loans is 15 years and the car loan is 5 to 7 years maximum. So think about these loans. So while taking these loans, think about your financial credibility of your retirement age. Whether really you want this particular house, whether you want to really this vehicle, can you afford or not? Think about taking. Banks are always ready to give the loan of any kind, of any amount as per your financial stability, financial position. But while paying every month that EMI, there you will see the real pain in you. Is it right or not? Please try. Always Warren Buffett will say, if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. So please always be control about your emotions. So think smart decisions about your credit. Don't take as like that. Don't use the credit cards as like that also. So be plan about this. What is the exact current loans you have, and how many children do you have? How many children? How many boys are there? How many girls are there? What is their age? What are the age of your children? Write down in separate journal, so that what is the major expenses incurred in every month. You need to be having very clear visibility about these parameters. How much you are segregating for their education. You need to be calculate this also for your piece in a retirement age. So write down each children expenses for education. Small expenses also is okay, but how much you are writing? What is the percentage of money you are segregating for school? What is the percentage of money you are segregating for a graduation? What is the percentage of money you are segregating for your children for masters? Whether you want to send your children for an abroad, what is the major aesthetics about the financials do you want? Do you have to be? Think about these things. If you know these things, definitely you will be very peace from today. You need to write down everything what I'm sharing today to you. Please see this video front and back and see the things to be done for your enhancement of your financial position and for your best enhancement of your financial position to the next level. And also you want to be peace in your retirement age. These things you must know. So for education of your children also, at least 5% to 10% need to keep aside for this. And if you want to lead retirement age peacefully, how you need to lead your retirement age peacefully? You need to have a clear visibility how much you need to be maintained, how much you need to be gather, how much you need to be evolve in terms of knowledge about financials is matters. If you don't know these things, as like that the life will go, again your burden will come. There you will be see the real differentiation about your peace at retirement age. So how much bank balances you have at the time of retirement age, what is the portfolio of income you have at the time of retirement age is a matters. So when you have a clear visibility about your parameters, there you can see the real transformation about your financial portion. So when you have a clear change about your financials, clear visibility task about your financials, what you need to be attained at the time of retirement age is a matters. So have a clear visibility and the end, what is your end goal for retirement. Try to pay off all loans within timelines. You have any loans, whether it's a home loan, car loan, educational loan, or any mortgage loans, or any XYZ loans, whatever you have, pay off all your educational loans within the timelines. Don't be overdue. If you have an overdue limits, or if you have overdue of loans, your peace will be gone. That is damn sure. So please be clear about this. Will make you peace in your life in terms of financials. So If you want to be very clear about your financials at the time of retirement age, what as an individual person you need to evolve, what is the present situation of yours, and what is the situation you need to be lead at the time of retirement age is a matters. You want to be roam in world tour along with your spouse at the time of retirement age, or you want to be live in one small as per your small 2 bedroom house or one single bedroom one. So if you have a small savings from today onwards, you will see the real peace in the retirement age. Nobody having a guts to save this, for anybody's guts to have a retirement plans, but some people having a knowledge but they're not investing in a proper way. Because of that reason they are not earning the good amount. So visit my website www.madhukodidala.com, where you can see the real change about your financial position, how you need to evolve as an individual person. So please plan accordingly about your financials, plan accordingly about your major aesthetics about the money. Here I'm just giving the context about the parameters of why the retirement to be very important, how you need to create the retirement plan, and how to secure your retirement plan. The main context has been given here. If you want to go in deep knowledge about these things, please visit my website www.madhukodidala, and also share this video to your well-wishers so that they will get benefit. So please think about your retirement, what your life to be. If you're not able to think, every individual, you as an individual also thinking I need to secure something, but nobody is really implementing in a right way. So please try to change your mindset to the reality what you need to incur. So please have a clear visibility about the parameters of aesthetics about the money at the time of retirement age is main important. So you need to change yourself for your financials for that at the time of retirement, means you need to take action today. So take action and implement and see the change about your financials retirement age. Segregate everything. You want what type of expenses you have, what type of parameters you what type of income you are generating in every month. Is there any passive income is happening or not on your portfolio? So please be intact with your life about the retirement. If you don't secure your retirement today, you will don't see the real change about the retirement at the time retirement age. You don't see the real change at the time of retirement. So please have a clear visibility about your major parameters about your personal perception is a matters. So take action today and save at least 5 to 10% of your monthly earned income and keep aside and have a passive generated income. Keep that amount in a passive generated multiple streams, where I show where I already given the video in the YouTube. Please go and see that video so that you know the major aesthetics about the passive income generation. This is Madhu Kodidala, passive wealth expert. Thank you very much for listening, for viewing this and seeing this video. Please share this video for your friends so that they will get benefit what I told just now in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I'm again telling to you, visit my website www.madhukodidala.com. And if you want to continue learning on your personal finance, join my community. There like-minded people are there. Introverts, major happenings is happening in their life to evolve how to change their financial position. Please go and join the Telegram group and WhatsApp group and the Face group. A separate page has been created for individuals, those every like-minded people has evolved in such a way their personality towards the wealth. So please join this community so that you will see the real change in your life from today. That is damn sure. I have such confidence. I'm hand holding to you, please. Please, I'm the person to give the value to you, the individuals. That's why I'm creating this video for your better understanding about your retirement age. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.